Hi everyone! In this video, we will show you how to customize the new calendar, events, and reminders integration on iOS 18. First, open the calendar app on your iPhone. Now tap on the plus icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This is where you can add a new event or reminder. In the new window, you will see options for both event and reminder. For the event, start by entering a title that describes the event. Next, enter the location of the event if necessary. You can either type in an address or choose one from your previous locations. If this event will last all day, turn the all day toggle on. If not, proceed to select the start date and time, and then the end date and time for your event. Below that, you will see additional options like travel time and repeat. Travel time helps you estimate how long it will take to reach the event location, while the repeat option allows you to set recurring events, for example, weekly meetings. Further down, you will find options like calendar invites and alerts. If you're inviting others, you can send invitations directly from here and set reminders for when you want to be notified before the event starts. Then tap on Show As and choose whether you want to mark yourself as free or busy during the event. Now, let's move on to the reminder part. Tap on Reminder to set a new reminder. Here, start by entering a title for your reminder, such as buy groceries or pay bills. Next, enter any notes you want to add for the reminder. This is helpful for adding extra details or instructions. After that, select the date and time for when you want to be reminded. Just like with events, you can also check other options like repeat and select which list the reminder belongs to, such as personal or work. To see more options, tap on Details, where you can further customize your reminder settings. Once you're done setting up the event or reminder, tap Add in the top right corner to save it. A pop-up will appear asking for permission, so tap Allow to grant access. Now, your event or reminder has been successfully added. You can always go back and add more events or reminders using the same process. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.